What's up, you friggin' geniuses? So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to add and subtract matrices, all right? So the first thing you want to do before adding or subtracting is just making sure they're the exact same size. Okay, so here you can see that this is a 2 by 2, right? Because we have two rows, right? Two rows and two columns. And it's the exact same thing over here, right? We have two rows and two columns. So this is a 2 by 2 also. Okay, so since they're both the exact same size, we can add these or subtract these, right? But in this case, we're going to add them. And since they're both 2 by 2s, that means our answer, when we add them together, is also going to be a 2 by 2. Okay, so if I wanted to add A plus B together, it's actually not too bad. All you have to do is add corresponding numbers. Okay, so for example, this number right here is in the top left, and here, this number is in the top left. So I would add those together. So I would just do 7 plus -5. Okay? This number is in the top right. This number is in the top right. So I would add those together. Okay? So -3 plus 12. Okay? Same thing down here. Bottom left, right? So 0 plus 4. So that goes in the bottom left. And this one is in the bottom right. And this one is in the bottom right. So those go in the bottom right. So 9 plus 6 in the bottom right there. Okay, so then if I simplify this, what are we going to have? Well, here we have 7 plus -5, and that's equal to +2. Okay, here -3 plus 12, that's equal to +9. And then here 0 plus 4 is 4. And here 9 plus 6 is 15. Okay, so then that would be your answer for A plus B. Not too bad, right? So let's just do one last example where we're going to subtract. Okay, so here is our second example. So here we have C is equal to this matrix right here, and we have D is equal to this matrix right here. Okay, and I want to know what C minus D is equal to. All right, so again, the first thing you want to do is just make sure that they're the exact same size. Okay, so here, this matrix, we have 1, 2, 3 rows, right? And 1 column. So this is a 3 by 1. And it's the exact same thing over here, right? This is 3 rows and 1 column, so this is also a 3 by 1. So since they're the same, we can subtract them. Okay? And also, since we have a 3 by 1 in both of these cases, that means your answer is also going to be a 3 by 1. Okay? And the only difference here is that we're going to be subtracting. Okay? So since this number's on top and this number's on top, you subtract those, right? So we're going to do 13 minus 5 on top. And then here in the middle, we're going to do -7 minus -4. So -7 minus -4. And then on the bottom, we have -8 minus -8. Okay, minus -8. Okay, now we can simplify this a little bit more. So here, 13 minus 5, that's equal to 8. And then -7 minus -4, that's the same thing as -7 plus 4, which is equal to -3. And -8 plus 8 is equal to 0, right? Okay, so C minus D would be this matrix right here. So if you found the video helpful, definitely leave a thumbs up down below. And if you have any other questions or want to see any other examples, just let me know in the comment section below. Also, there's a couple playlists attached that I think you'll find helpful. So definitely check those out, and I'll see you there.